What's that?
These are giant waves.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get goggles to dive in it.
Good idea.
Me too.
Big waves, eh?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I dare you to put your camera in the water.
I can. It's waterproof.
What an 80 pounds to me.
I got rolled under every single thing.
I just got hit. Stop looking at something.
Another big jump. Big jump.
You just stepped on a turtle? Oh yeah, there he is. Look at that. I'm about to step on him too. Hello, sir.
Now you're good.
Here comes the big one, guys.
Yeah, you are. These ones are very high.
Here it comes. Watch out. Watch out. What do you think, Wyatt? Awesome!
Now I gotta get focused on the way.
Okay, bye.